Good day everyone. Today we'll be walking through I'll be lecturing you on how to fix your staircase. Maybe we also go through the steps. So let's get started. You know, this is our previous plan. This is where we are. So to get your staircase, I think you start off by taking the measurement of this place. You go through modification, click to align. Let's get the measurement of this place. Arrange. Uh, well, the measurement is 1.2. So when you get the measurement, you have gotten the measurement 1.2. You go back to your architecture. Then you go to modern line. Draw a modern line. You want to divide this line just to make sure that the staircase are equal. I'm drawing a modern line. You escape, delete this measurement. Put this. Now go to modification again. Take another measurement from this line to this point. You want to make sure that from this line to this, that the two sides are equal. You know. So you escape. Now highlight this line. Change this to 0.6. 0.6. Enter. So you have made it to be equal. Then you delete this. Go back to architecture. Go to staircase. And you draw your staircase outside your plan. Now, when you click to staircase, there are so many staircases here. You have 90 mm miles riser, this or all those staircases. We have this one, we have this, we have private, we have precast staircase. But most of the time, I prefer to use the monolithic staircase stair. The monolithic stair is easier for me to use, and anyway, the whole staircase here has their use. There are some. When you want to design a staircase that's a standard, you can use any of these ones. It just depends on your design anyway. But in this case, we are designing something that's inside of our building. So we use the monolithic stair. When you go to the monolithic stair, you have to set this. You set all this. So you make sure that the base level is on the ground floor and the base offset is 000. Then you come here, you make sure that the top level is on the deck, that the slab, the first slab. You get to the deck. Then, because I know that this first slab, I took the measurement I took it as the end. So you go to staircase step. You make sure you set this to ground floor, the base level to ground floor. Then the base offset must start from 0. Then this top level make sure it is clipped to your first slab. Then because I know that this is my first slab, when I was setting the levels, I know this is my first slab. Started this is the first this is the starting of the slab. It is not the ending. So I want we want to get another step so that it can lap my staircase can lap very well on this first floor slab. Depends on how you understand it. Then this you can see the top offset is starting from 0 0. Then the desired number of steps is 21. But if I should add another one, it will be 22. So I have to take this measurement, this actual riser height, and start this. I have to take the measurement to put on this. So this my top offset will start from the riser. It will stop at the riser. I want to have another step. This is what it has been calculated already from my Revit, but I know if I should go on with this, I will have to go back and start working on my step. So to avoid such thing, I want to add more writing. So I'll click here. One. This is the height of every riser. The height of every riser. That's the height of every riser. So I've gotten it. A staircase. So in this case, this is a glass door. I'll not start from this end. I don't want my staircase to be equal anyway. I want just to have 2 steps here or 3 steps in, then draw the rest. Because here is long enough to take the whole staircase anyway, but you can't walk through this way and come like this and climb this step. So I have to get a little step here so it will have a landing here. When you take 2 steps or 3 steps, or you land to a landing, then take your way up. So I click this right. Don't I don't advise you to draw your staircase inside here. We do the adjustment outside. So I've gotten 3 steps. 3 steps, no, 4 steps. This okay. Let me get 3 steps from the staircase. You click, you right click, you left click, then draw, then go a little bit distance from it. Draw the remaining staircase. Make sure it goes. When it gets to the end, it will end on its own. So you have got this. Then you say okay. When you say okay, you click on it again. Edit it. You want to bring it closer. Brought it closer. And this is it. If here length of here is not long enough to contain this step, maybe this landing, you may use it as staircase. So as you have gotten this step, you just click on it, you create it, you highlight it, now move it to your drawing, move it. When you move it, you have moved it to your drawing. What you now do is to click on it again. You have moved it to your drawing. Click on it, edit. Click on this. Now draw this to your that line. You have draw it to the line, that exact line that you measured. Then you click on this, edit it to draw it to the line. And then this one back. You have gotten it inside. You have brought it inside your building. So what we now do is to click on this, take it off a little bit from the line, just take it off a little so that you do not have error with the red. It's exactly, there must be a red here. So you have taken it off a little bit from. Then you click this one to do same, take it a little bit off from the line. So you have gotten it. So I've gotten this. You go to you finish it. Still, when you finish it, then you go to your 3D and see what you have done. Go to your 3D. Okay, look at it. Look at what we have done. So look at what we have done. So when you have done this, you can delete this rail because we don't need it. You click on the rail and delete it. And see what we have done. You can click on this step. I have already set the material and the rest, but you can also change the material to whatever material you desire. Whatever material you desire to change it to, you can change. So this is where you change your material here. You can come here, change your material, but I already have a material for it. So I've done that. You change this material, you can also change this material too. I've already fixed my materials. We will also do a lecture on different type of staircase so that we get it right. Say apply. After applying, you say okay. You go to okay. So this is it. You have gotten your staircase for this. As you can see, after getting your staircase, let's go back and put our slab. That's our deck. You can see your staircase. Yeah, you can see. Let's go back and put our deck. So if there's any other adjustment on the staircase, we can also do it. Let's go back now, put our deck. Make sure we get our deck. You go back to architecture, you go back to floor. This floor now, you have to select another floor. Let me go to, let me use this. floor. And when you go here, you see the height offset, the level. You, I think the level you should get to the ground floor deck level. Then you make it zero. The height offset. The height offset. You make it 150. Then you go to edit type. This is where you will change the thickness, everything. You go back here. You make this thickness to be 100. 100. Now, let's insert this. Let's insert the finishing. The same way we did to the wall and the floor. You insert this, you name it finish because of the ties, Then you take it back, you bring it down, brought it down. So this category, let's use the same wall with let's use the same ties with the balloon. Panel ties. So okay. So you make it 50. So this, you have to also put this, or whatever you feel like. It doesn't really matter. So just put something. I think it's better we put anything of the color white. So, or we still put, yes, the color white will be better. But I still make it that color. It's color that. Okay. This case, I want to use line. I want to use line because I will still edit some things. I'll still edit it in future. Go to now. You can see the, you see what we are causing here. But we are going to edit it here. We're going to edit it. Go back. this one. Let's go back to the 3G and check. See, I've opened it. So you can see that the opening is not that, yeah, but the opening was too much, so I have to bring back this. So I go back to edit it again, go back to ground floor. Now bring this one down a little bit. The slab. You click to it. You finish. You go back to your 3D. Watch what you have done. Jump. It's better like this. You can see that the staircase lapped exactly on the slab. Because I did set it well from the onset. If you don't calculate it well to set it with this, you find out that maybe the staircase will come down, or so it's very easy. You have gotten it. You have gotten what we want. Let's You can see it. It's exactly. Just little change, which is not too necessary to. If you still want to make it, you want it to be, go back to your level, check it. So go back to our ground floor. Now let's put steps. Let's put steps. There are so many ways to put steps on your door. Steps on the ground floor. Yeah, there are so many ways. You can see that when you go to this elevation, it's at on the north. You will agree with me that you need steps here to climb this. And what we got this level is 450, so we need about 3 steps. So what you will do, you go to ground floor. When you go to ground floor, steps, we believe that step is always 150, and the width is always 300. So you are going to use modern line to do that. You take your modern line, draw from here to here. You name it 300. You measure it 300, 0.3, 0.3. Then you go here again, take another measurement, 0.3. 0.3. 0.3. Go here. You get this measurement. Go again. 0.3. There are so many ways to get it, but let me take this. So here, I think two, two is okay, so that the floor will be two. Two, two is good. At least two. Um, there are two steps. Okay, let's leave it with three. Do the adjustment if there's any problem with that. So you go to your ground floor. You take this one first. You assume it is 150. 150. You go to your floor. You are still on your floor. Go to your floor. You go to your floor. Go to your floor. You assume we are still using this 300, but you go here. Then you click on duplicate. Duplicate. First step. You must duplicate first step. Click apply. Click OK. First step. So you go here. Height should be ground floor. Ground floor. Ground level. Ground level. On ground level. You get it. Click on it. Then you go back again. You go back again. You duplicate it. Second step. Second step. Two. close your dreams and check what you've done. You can see. I think we made a mistake. So let's click on this. Let's first of all click on this. Zero. On this. And then set everything. You can see it. You can see the way I'm setting them. I think it should be on ground floor.
Solution to our problems. Some people they say, cockroach do me this,
Then
right?
go here.
God don't really as deep.
Set this. go to your ground floor. You get this. You still go to your floor. Go to third step. So uh, click to it. And then you can see the setting. You have set all this. You can see the setting. There are so many ways to do this. We have gotten this setting. See how we took our time to set it through the 3D. So let's we are going to fix this dot. So in this one now, what we are going to do is go to ground floor. You have gotten this one. So what you will do is you get this. To get this, you go there. You use model in place to do this staircase. You go to components, you go to model in place, you use casework. So okay, you say step, just name it step, steps. You say okay, go to extension. You say pick a plane, pick a plane. You go to line, draw line. Then you draw 450, 900, 0.9, 0.9. Okay, you go up 0.1. Okay, 0.3. Okay, 0.1. Okay, again. 0.3. You go 0.150. To this now. Click offset depth. This create it. Finish. When you finish, you go back to south. Finish again. Go to south. North. Look at what you created here. So you bring it to this step. You draw it. Depends on where you want it to start. This is the step you have created. Now you go to edit place. You click to it. So you change the material. So I'll change the material to pallor. Or I change it to kitchen tiles. Kitchen floor tiles. So okay, you finish it. Now go back to your 3D and see what you have done. See this. See what you got in. So in this, you can also see what we have gotten here to in this. If you think it is covering the door, you want to bring it down, you can also go back to your sides. Yes. Edit it. Bring it down a little bit. Finish it. I'll go back to ground floor. I'll go back to your grid. You have seen what you have done. That's it. That's it. So these are different way of putting your steps. That's it. So it's as easy as. Depends on how you want to do it. You can see it. Depends on what you want to achieve. So we have gotten this step. I'll teach you how to use your step to get your step too. You can also use your step to get your step. You can form your step. Whatever shape you want to give it to, you can do it. All those we will come to that time. So this is it. Thank you. Thank you for watching. And I believe you understood everything we have done today. Thank you so much.